Welcome back to the Social Yet Distance Pod Collective, where we explore today how cannabinoids and terpenes shape our minds, our moods, and our health. And for today's quick dive, we're matching specific compounds to specific symptoms or effects. Let's start with agitation and anxiety, two experiences that often overlap but respond a bit differently. For agitation, research points to THC, CBD, linalool, and beta-caryophyllene, often called BCP. When it comes to anxiety, CBD tends to shine, sometimes paired with lower doses of THC and the floral terpene linalool, which is also found in lavender. Now, if we shift to psychosis studies, they lean more towards CBD, pinene, and limonene, compounds that may generally balance overstimulation rather than intensify it. And for sleep challenges like insomnia or restlessness, heavier blends that feature THC and the sedating terpene myrcene can promote a much deeper rest. On the opposite end, when appetite drops or anorexia is a concern, THC, CBG, and again beta-caryophyllene often stimulate hunger and digestive comfort. Aggression tends to mirror agitation in its chemistry. That same trio, THC, CBD, and linalool, would be appropriate. For depression, combinations of THC, limonene, and CBD have been linked to lift with mood and energy balance, while pain relief often calls for synergy. THC, CBD, CBG, and BCP, all working as anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents. When we look at memory, it's interesting that alpha-pinene paired with THC might actually protect recall rather than cloud it. And that same balancing act carries into neuroprotection, where CBD, THC, CBG, and THCV support brain health and may even help reduce amyloid beta plaque, a potential link to Alzheimer's. These patterns remind us that cannabis compounds work best in harmony. It's much less about one magic molecule and much more about matching chemistry to context. So until next time, stay curious, stay balanced, and keep exploring the spectrum. We'll be right here, social yet distanced.